Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Celebrate One. But here's the thing. I am trying to steal from my little brother. I'm muted right now. He's in a different room. So yeah. The way. All the way in a different room. This is right there. He's trying to rebirth. He's trying to get money so he could rebirth. But I can't let that slide. So I'm gonna steal from him. What the idea will be, I have no idea. Let me lower down the volume. Oh my god, the volume is so loud. Why am I whispering when I'm muted and he's in a different room? Okay, let's go. He's lagging. Let's see what he does. By the way, I want to tell you guys something. Wait. Okay. I will be doing a giveaway. Well, actually, a trade. The trade is an orange or a trade for something. An orange or a trade or both for something. Both of them, I would take Los Saladitos, but y'all wouldn't. Lucky block! Wait, there's a lucky block.
Lucky block.
No.
Lucky block.
I can't. No. I can't reveal where I am because you're like, wait, why are you invisible? No, wait, man. Okay, there's a diamond. Jeez. I mean rainbow. Okay. When is this base opening, bro? I need to steal the giraffe on the south street. Wait. I'm getting ready. No! Freeze! Boogie ball! Sting! Did you do everything correctly? Nope. 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 He's probably coming to my room. Nope. Oh, he turned on his mic. Should I turn on my mic? Thank you.
Giraffa celestre.
No. Stop. No. I need it. No. You're lagging. He left. No, I'm gonna unmute my mic. Why did you leave?
Because I lagged out.
You lagged out? Damn, that's not. But anyway, guys, about the trade, I will be offering one of these or both of them. You guys decide. Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna do this in a pub or private. Okay. So your guys' decision: an orange or this trade. Your guys' decision. You'd like to have one of them or both of them for something. I will say if this is a good. I'm leaving the Discord.
No.
What?
I actually want to dance.
Alright. Get banned.
You can ban me.
No, from the Discord.
Alright.
Let me just do it. Done. Alright. Now he's gone. Now that he's gone. About the... Yeah. So one of these, by the way, mission unsuccessful. But yeah. Are you guys gonna be going for the, what's it called? For the, live event tomorrow? I'm gonna be there maybe. But you guys have to tell me which one. Comment down your username, like and subscribe, comment down your username. And yeah, I will be actually doing them. just lock my base. Oh wait, he's back. He's back. Okay, I have to focus. Walk in. Wait, what? Guys, does it? How are you back in my Discord? No! So annoying!
What's that do? Oh, you trying to make me dance? Wait, are we going to a party tomorrow?
No! What? It's a live event tomorrow. I'm gonna play. Hopefully spawn. Why does Sammy not spawn in? Sammy, if you're seeing this, spawn a secret was. Wait, there's. What are the chances of him seeing this video? Please, please spawn a secret, like Los Ralitos or something, please. I think a board for me. Bombadillo crocodile. That's what I meant. Oh, he's still in my Discord. Oh no. If you sell it, then you can't.
I'm so close. I just need 5.
You need 350 million.
Yeah.
And how much? 3.5. You're so close. And it'll rise. Like total. Anyways, I'm back because I'm here.
What?
You're lagging so
2
much.
million, I still can't.
I don't know if you guys want to be in a public or a private server. We guys have a private server. If not, we'll find a way.
9.
No! You locked your base. You fell down. What? Me? You're glitching. Yo, is he? Alright, first of all, crocodile ball. I need it. I'm not even in. I'm not behind it. Well, actually, I know. But you know what I mean. I'm on the side of it. Oh guys, if this doesn't work, I'm cooked.
I'm gonna have to open up this lucky buffy for you.
What?
Did you?
That wasn't me.
Why did you?
Yo, why you in my room? Get out. Is he gonna leave? Did he leave? Oh, he reset it. He reset it. I need to lock my baby. Or these guys still coming.
Buffy works.
Yo, I changed it. I swear to the Wi-Fi. I'll fix it. I'll fix
You're
it.
changing the
Whoa!
You're changing the Wi-Fi.
Actually, I changed this one. No, you're not. Where's the giraffe celestry?
You.
No. Bruh.
It's up
You left?
by the rebirth.
You rebirthed? I didn't even get to hold your stuff, by the way. I told him I would hold his stuff, but I tried to steal. So he doesn't trade.
Now,
The thing that is really annoying. The thing that you hate when my friends use on you. Oh, I need a little crocodile now. I don't need that. Bruh. Bro, you didn't even get to open your lucky block. Just. Why am I muting? My mic not working. Mute.
I'm pretty sure your mic is not muted.
Mute. Oh my god. Okay, so that's not working.
I'm pretty sure the guy is angry as soon as he's yelling at his mic.
Glorbo fruttodrillo.
This guy is yelling at his mic. He has angry issues.
I know where it is.
Stop.
Glorbo fruttodrillo.
You really think that you can do that?
I took it. Let's go.
No, you didn't.
I took the global for the win.
See, why is everything just not moving? Yo,
Did
stop
you-
changing the Wi-Fi.
No, I'm changing your I'm changing your password to the Wi-Fi. So that means when you put it in, it's a Y'all want one of these? No, not you. My viewers. Oh, now he knows I'm recording. Yeah, it was for a video to rob you, but you rebirthed. Bro, just give me a bombadillo crocodile.
Oh, you know what?
Yes.
One more video is like,
I need to read it. Yo, why are you in my room? Get out.
I'm gonna jump on you.
No. Yeah, leave. Alright, he left. Are you back in your mic?
Yeah.
Alright, he just came back. Yo, I need a bombadillo crocodile. Why was it just lagging? What is that? Did it change the world? Boo! Okay, if the mythic doesn't give me it, if it doesn't give me it, then I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm actually leaving.
No, don't. Don't leave.
I'm not in the video.
No, don't leave.
I'm in the video.
Go to your base. Go to your base.
Why? I'm here.
You're not. You're not.
I am.
Do uninvisible. Come here.
No. How many seconds do I have? 60 seconds. Okay, yeah. Just to get rid of this. That backfired.
Another
Kaboom!
trap? I'm trying.
Nope. Wait, guys. 1 like equals 1 freeze for my little brother. Little Luga. Yeah, the official name Little Luga. Action on this. What shall we call you for YouTube videos? What shall we?
Call me.
Batman.
You-
Named
you
after
Batman.
me.
Your name is Batman.
Named after me.
Your name is Batman, not me.
Now, Batman's actually the best superhero. Here's the thing. I love Marvel. Like, it's number 1. But I also love Batman. Yo, you're not taking that. Yo, I was talking with them, bro. But what are these traps? Don't fuck my base. But get these traps out of here.
I'm out dancing on you.
Yo, but you're not from Fortnite, bro. I hate to break it to you. Get frozen. Wait, a mythic came by?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm a nigga.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Alright. That was pretty crazy, guys. If you want to watch the next video, click on the video on the screen right now. I'm Mr. Luga. What?
I'm gonna try.
No. I'm Mr. Luga. He's my little brother. And we're out. Peace. Bye. That's easy.